Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Gian Mamuyak and Coach Yang Yao of Rainer Shine. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Yang, you survived a do-or-die game today. At halftime, apat lang yung kalamangan nyo. Did you have some magic words for them in the locker room? Because in the third quarter, that's when you started to break away.
Yes, we survive another day, so may laro kami ng Sunday. No? This is the closest we've been to the finals. No? So we look at it as a really positive development for us. No? At last, nakadalawang panalo kami sa semis. But of course, Coach Chot was not coaching, and he'll be coaching in the next game. And then, well, both teams were able to preserve their players, no, for the next game. But yung third quarter, malaking bagay sa amin. I think it was really the defense that we were able to play, because first half, we found no way to contain si Calvin. In the first half, talagang maganda yung shooting niya, maganda offense niya. We were just waiting for him to get tired a little bit. Maybe that's the time we were able to break away dun sa third quarter. Also sustained our pace. We're able to sustain our pace. So we're happy that we're able to play at our pace and still be able to preserve the win convincingly. Marami silang kulang, madaming firepower ang wala sa kanila. No? They've lost Pogoy, but I don't know, maybe they're just buying time for Pogoy, so we expect him to play in the next game. Then every time we play, we just compete. We just run what we do in practice, and if our game holds up, we win. Kung di naman, we're happy to accept the result as long as we give it our best.
Thank you, Coach. Mamu, 22 points, 16 in the first quarter, opened things off for your team. With how the games in the semifinals turned out or played out as a team, and for you individually, would you say that this is like a bounce back statement game for yourself?
Not really. Siguro you can say that. Pero sa system naman kasi namin, sa system ni Coach Cheng, anyone can have a night like this. So yun din ang kagandahan ng team namin. Any given night, di mo alam kung sino yung magiging katabi ni Coach Cheng dito pag nanalo kami. So it just so happened that tonight, it was me. And next game namin, which is on Sunday, hindi naman din natin alam. Pero we're just trying to be aggressive. We're just trying to survive and compete.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, yung last game kasi parang hindi maganda yung shooting ninyo. Anong ginawa nyo, Coach? Were you able to address it? Was it the defense of TNT or malas? Or paano nyo in-address yun?
Every night naman, di maganda yung shooting namin. I'm really not that happy still with our three-point shooting. We get a lot of open looks. We're not making them at the percentage that we want to make them. Pero na compensate namin with our running game, with our ball movement. We had 27 assists today. High scoring game. Any high scoring game, I think we will have the edge. No, if we can play fast, if they're allowing us to play at a fast rate, I think that's also an advantage for us. Pero yun din, kahit na high speed yung game namin, nasusustain namin because I think we have a longer rotation than they do. That is why I keep saying one win makes it a longer series. The longer the series, the better our chances. So, doon kami umaasa na manalo pa kami ng minsan, magge-game 7. No? At least ngayon may game 6. No? Sabi ko nga, we've never been this close. So, good sign to. Siyempre, ayaw namin sayangin din ang opportunity na to. May chance pa naman, mahirap nga lang, pero habang may chance, we'll take what we have.
Coach, yung mga injuries ba sa TNT, is this like,
Ano?
yung injuries ng TNT, is this like the opening that you need?
Yeah,
Or,
actually, no? It's always this way every time. When you get to this stage, it becomes a game of attrition. Matira matibay. No, kaya you have a longer rotation, it's an advantage. You have a deeper bench, it's an advantage. Talaga minsan may magbe-breakdown Parang kasama na talaga lahat 'yun, no. Sana nga lang pwedeng mag-breakdown yung players mo pero iba pa rin pag key players mo ang nagbe-breakdown. But ayun nga, we prepare for these situations. That's why you try to keep everybody ready to play. Pagka ganitong panahon, doon na nakakatulong yung ganong klaseng preparasyon.
Coach, good evening. Coach, sabi mo nga, this is the closest you've gotten to a finals. Pero, hindi ba baka mag-complacent naman yung mga players mo?
Hindi siguro. A win is a win. A chance to get to the finals is a chance to get to the finals. Baka I think we're hungrier than they are. No, alam natin naghahabol sila ng Grand Slam. Pero nakadalawang championship na sila, baka pagod na rin sila, baka nagsawa na sila, di ba? Kami naman, di ba? So tignan natin.
Kaya Mamu, follow up dun sa ni Apple, no, kanina, tanong niya. Itong performance mo ba somehow naibsan yung medyo heartbreaker na nangyari sa inyo during game 2 na alam natin na foul mo si Calvin Optana while taking a 4-point shot?
In a sense siguro po, pero lahat naman ng buong team namin, buong organization after that play, lahat sumuporta naman sa akin. So pinadali din na kalimutan and mag-move on kasi sabi nga nila series naman to first to 4. And yes, so yun, buong suporta naman ng team nandun. So napadali din naman yung pag-move on.
Okay. Coach, isa na lang. Coach, nagulat ka ba na mas nauna pang nasuspend sa'yo si Coach Chot kaysa
Parang gusto akong i-dislodge dun sa title ko Nunahan pa ako ni Coach Chot Pero malapit-lapit na rin ako May iwas ako pero tignan natin sana makaiwas naman ako.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Coach Yeng. And
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you po.
Mamo.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Gian Mamuya.